everyone, welcome to the channel. It's going to be a quick video to show you guys what causes electronic power steering to go out on Lexuses. This applies to the IS model, GS model, and a lot of other Lexus models with electronic power steering. So I'm going to show you what caused mine to go out in the first place and what you can do to prevent it from burning out completely before it gets too bad, and you may be able to save it. Thing you want to do is jack up the car just so you have enough clearance to get under the car. It's a good idea to use jack stands, especially if you have a wheel off. I don't have any wheels off right now. All right, so after you raise the vehicle and you have enough clearance to get under there, you want to lower down the splash guard, which is this guard right here. You don't need to take completely off. There's also front bolts if you do want to take it off just to get easier clearance, but there's about, I think, 4 or 5 screws in the back you just remove. They do have Phillip heads, so they're pretty easy to take off. Then you want to locate the rack and pinion. You can start from the tie rod, which is right here, and this piece connecting to it is the rack and pinion, which runs all the way across the front of your vehicle there. So what you're going to be looking for, there's a small 4-pin connector. The connector itself has bad contact because the pins are too small for the opening on the connector, and it loses connection, and that's what causes these power steering racks to fail. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where that's at right now. So this is the connector right here. It's located in the middle of the rack and pinion. What I did is I actually use a zip tie to keep the contact good, and every time my rack and pinion went out, the power steering went out, I would go ahead and wiggle that plug and it would work again. So reading on the forums, I did find out that it's a faulty part from the manufacturer, and that's what causes these to go out. So if you can go ahead and get a secure connection on there like I did with the zip tie, you'll be good to go. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.